Stay with me to the end of this video, and that will show you how to make money for yourself daily while doing nothing. So I know that right now some of you are already starting going to the comment section and video description, start looking for registration link without watching this video. I will advise you to watch this video to the very end for you to get the 80s and step-by-step method on how to do it, because without watching this video you might not be able to know how to do everything, and you start asking questions in the comment section. So this video is going to explain everything step by step. So the name of the platform I'm about to show you, the name is Canaan. So Canaan is a global pioneer in blockchain hardware manufacturing. It has excellent performance and attractive returns for its mining machine. Now, there's a lot more convenient cloud mining. As long as there's an internet connection, you can take out your mobile phone and open a super easy to use application anytime, anywhere. And cryptocurrency mining is easy to get started. Novices can also pay in a few minutes for mining machines, recharging to viewing returns. The operation is super smooth. In terms of security, advanced encryption technology and multiple protections escort the whole process. Data encryption transmission prevents information leakage. This means that the platform is protected. None of your accounts, nothing like hacking or anybody will be able to access your account. The data are encrypted. So funds are stored in multiple signatures and cold wallets, and assets are as stable as Mount Style. Take action now. So let's take a look at the investment returns of the mining machines, which will definitely make your heart beat faster. Calm down, I'll show you that. So now the miner A1246, the deposit is from $10 to 69 USDT investment, and the daily yield will be 18%. Sorry, stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you everything. So not only that, another way to make money for yourself is to get your invitation rewards. The level 1 team total recharge is 10%. You can earn money while lying down. The level 2 team total is 3% reward. The bigger the team, the more money you earn. Then the level 3 total recharge is 1% reward, where it continues to go. In addition, enjoy 4% rebate of level 1 members daily mining income. So per day in which your level 1 mines, is that you are going to be getting 4% of it. That is such a massive profit of that. So now, without further ado, let's go into the main video. But in case this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael, and this cash creation plan where we share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So do well to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Like this video, share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. Also, if you're not in our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel, you see the video description down below or the comment section below. You see the link to our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, or you can visit the link in our YouTube channel homepage. You also see the link to our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel. So now, to get started, visit the video description down below and the comment section. You are going to see the registration link in any of them. So now let's go into the main video. Let me show you how you can make money daily for yourself by just doing nothing. So I want to bring to your notice that whenever you see a red cross sign before the title of any video in my channel, it means that the platform is no more paying. This is to ensure transparency among my audience and also avoid time wastage before watching a video. So once you just see a red cross sign as it is shown on the screen right now, no need of watching the video, because the platform is no longer paying unless you want to watch it for just fun or for entertainment. This is the registration page. Don't forget, in the beginning I told the name of the platform is Canaan. So in the registration page, there are two methods in which you can register. You can register using your email address, or you can register using your mobile number. So when you are registering using your mobile number or email address, any of them will be showing you. Like here, I'm registering with email, so it is showing me to input my email address. If I'm registering with a mobile number, I'll input my mobile number here, then input a login password. I'll confirm again, input a security password over here, I confirm again. Then this is the referral code. I'll leave it the way it is. Then when I scroll down, after inputting all the credentials, I'll just click on register button and I'm good to go. And after clicking on that, a verification email will be sent to your email address. So I have to be just go and click on it, and your email will be verified, and you are good to go starting to using the platform to make money for yourself. So once you create the account, this pop-up will show over here. As you can see, it is showing welcome to use the Canaan cloud mining. Canaan is a modern cloud mining public company using cutting-edge technology and hardware. It allows users to earn 18% of their daily profit by investing just $10 or even up to 26% of their daily profit. No matter where you are, you can mine cryptocurrency through our app as long as you have an internet connection. Start mining cryptocurrencies in the cloud without expensive hardware or technical expertise. Just buy the mining machine that suits you and get started. New user benefit. So all you have to do is just read the text to understand everything that the platform requires. So after that, just click on the next over here and you get started and start continue using the platform. So you see other things it says. It says because the network frequency bands of each country are different. In order to avoid error intersection on the website, please remember the company's official backup website. You can use canmining.net, you can use canmining.cc. The above two alternative URL are logged into the account normally. So the two URL alternatives because of the network frequency bands of every country that are different. So you just click on this button over here to remove the pop-up and continue other ways to start making money for yourself. Once you create an account on this platform, you're going to give me a registration bonus of 10,011 USDT. But as you can see on my balance, I currently have $10,011.80. So I'm going to place in a live withdrawal in this platform to check how fast the withdrawal is and check whether they really pay people. But as you can see over here, they have two methods of withdrawal: BP 20 USDT and TRX 20 USDT, and minimum withdrawal for BP 20 USDT is 1.5 USDT, and minimum withdrawal for TRC 20 USDT is 20 USDT, as you can see over here. So according to my balance showing over here, my balance for withdrawal is 1.800 USDT, which means I've been mining already in this platform, making money for myself. So I'm going to use the BP 20 based on what my balance is. So here you are asked to input your withdrawal address, your amount, your security password, and after input your security password, you click on confirm. So right, I'm going to input my withdrawal address over here, and after inputting my withdrawal address, I'm going to input my amount that I want to withdraw, which is 1.8 USDT, and then I'm going to input my security password over here. As you can see, it says withdrawal success. I have successfully placed a withdrawal. So let us check how fast the withdrawal is. As you can see over here, the time is 9:04. So let us check how fast the withdrawal is and check when the withdrawal is going to arrive, and I'm going to show you once the withdrawal arrives. Immediately I placed the withdrawal because I placed it at 9:05, and as you can see, look at the completion time, 21:04 seconds, which means the withdrawal drops automatically. The withdrawal dropped the same time when I clicked on withdraw, because I clicked on withdraw at 9:04 and this is 21:04, which is still the same time. So the withdrawal is automatic, and I don't think any platform can compete with this when it comes to fast withdrawal. So do well to come and leverage on this to come and make money for yourself. As you can see, I've received my 1.8 USDT immediately I placed the withdrawal. So now that you have seen the withdrawal proof that just dropped right now into my crypto wallet, do you now believe that this platform is really paying? So for me to bring to your notice, something I want to bring to your notice, Canaan is a listed company. Both the withdrawal, the deposit, Canaan is a global listed company. As I explained at the beginning, that it is a global pioneer in the blockchain hardware. So do well to come and leverage on this platform right now. So now I'll show you more ways. I'll show you the step-by-step method in which you can do everything, how to deposit and all that. So now let's continue. So for you to start making money for yourself in this platform, you have to go over to this section that says mining machine. So once you go over to that section, you're going to see different mining machines in which you can purchase to start making money for yourself. As you can see, the first one is miner A1246, and the deposit is between 10 USDT to 70 USDT, and the daily mining yield is 18%. The second one here is miner A1466, and the recharge is between 70 USDT to 400 USDT, and the daily yield is 20%. The third one, and so on. So I have to do just to check all of them, do the one that is best suitable to you, the one of your choice, and you'll be able to make money for yourself. But for you to invest in any of these mining machines, you have to make a recharge into your account. So you just have to click on recharge over here for you to make a recharge into your account, because if you don't make a recharge into your account, you won't be able to mine. Then as you can see over here, you can recharge using BP 20 USDT, and you can recharge using TRC 20, you can recharge using TRX, BNB and BP 20. But me, I like using TRC 20 or BP 20, but let's go over to TRC 20. So once you click on TRC 20, you are going to see this section over here. This is the TRC 20 USDT recharge section. Then this is the QR code. You can scan it and recharge through here, or you can copy the withdrawal address over here, go to your crypto wallet and make a deposit. Then as you can see, this is the warm reminder, so if it does not arrive for a long time, you should refresh the page or you contact the customer care service. So after making your recharge, you click on recharge complete over here and refresh your page, and it's going to show your balance, and if it doesn't show, you can contact the customer care service. So now let's go back to this section that says mining pool. So once you go back to that section to see what you purchase, as you can see, me, I purchased the mining power of 10 USDT, and my daily income will be 1.80 USDT, which is 18%. And as you can see, I have collected, to be collected, there's no data there yet, but if you click on receipt, you're going to see the data of the ones I've received. If you click on expire, you see the one that are also expired. As you can see, it has finished loading, and as you can see, I have received 1.800 USDT and it has been credited, which is what I just withdrew right now. And the mining is continuous, and by tomorrow I'm going to be withdrawing again, and I'll keep on withdrawing. So let's go over to this section that says team. Here you'll be able to make money for yourself by referring your friends, but by referring your friends, you'll be able to get more benefits, more income, and more profit for yourself. As you can see, this is the mining analytics, the total number of team. Here you can see the level 1, level 2, and level 3. It has the 3 levels of commission, the 3 levels of team. And so let us go over to the about page. So go over to this section that says me. As you can see over here, this section written financial record shows all your transactions in which you have been making in this platform. Then this section written transfer means maybe your profits in which you have received, you can convert it back and send it back to the mining machine to continue mining. Then this section written team shows you all your downlines in which you have referred. Then this is your login password. If you want to change it, you can click on it. This is your security password. If you also want to change it, you can click on it. Then this is a place for question and answer. If you have any question, you can contact them there. Then to contact a customer care service, you click on this section over here, or you can visit this icon showing over here, and once you click on it, you'll be able to contact the customer care service, and you can also join the Telegram channel from there. So now let's go over to the home page to see more features over there. So coming back to the home page, if you scroll down, you are going to see this section written invite friends. Then all you have to just to invite you, click on it. Once click on it, you're going to see your referral code over here and your referral link. So just copy your referral link over here, share it with your friends, and get more profit for yourself. Then if you want to download the mobile app, you can click on app download. If you want to know more about it, you can click on about us. So if you scroll down, you are going to see that they currently have 23,331 cumulative users, and the revenue cumulative is 3,844,150. Then this is the real-time team reward report in which people have been withdrawing. As you can see, person just withdrew 662, person just withdrew 940. So do it, come and leverage in this platform to make money for yourself. So it's now left for us to leverage this platform to make money for ourselves. As I mentioned in the beginning, Canaan is a listed platform. It is a company that is globally known. It is a global pioneer in blockchain hardware manufacturing, in which I stated at the beginning of this video. So I believe that this video has been a very wonderful opportunity for you people to make money online. Subscribe to this channel if that sounds like true. Like this video, share it with friends, so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. I'll be signing out for now, and hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel in the YouTube channel description or in the comment section or the YouTube channel homepage. This is because videos are not made for every updated, they are posted there. So don't forget to join it. And also we have 2 discussion groups, both in Telegram and on WhatsApp, so that you're going to, it is open 247, so you're going to be able to interact and ask your questions there, and a more faster response will be given over there. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash with cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.